Standard 8 Subject Civics. Lesson number 1 Introduction to the Parliamentary System, Part 2. Why did India adopt a parliamentary system of government? There are various reasons behind why India adopted parliamentary system of government. The very first reason behind this was during the British rule in India, the Britishers had already established various parliamentary institutions for their governing purposes. The various leaders working in this British Indian Parliament became familiar with this system and hence they preferred this form of government. Even the people of India supported this decision. Many discussions had taken place in the Constituent Assembly regarding the system of government. At the same time, many changes have also been made by framers of the Constitution in the parliamentary system. Questions related to the public welfare are discussed in the legislature. Members of the opposition party also take part in these discussions and support the government whenever necessary. This helps the legislature to make proper laws and function accordingly. Presidential system of government. What does presidential system of government mean? The presidential system is a form of government in which the president is the chief executive of the state. Let us know about the presidential system of government with reference to the government of the United States of America. In this system, all the three branches, that is legislative, executive and judiciary, are constitutionally independent of each other and no branch can dismiss or dissolve each other. This system is different from the parliamentary form of government. Here, the president is directly elected by the people. Though the three organs are independent of each other, there is enough connection between them so that they can work in harmony. Let us look at the various features of the presidential system of the government. In this system, the legislature and the executive are not directly dependent on each other. The House of Legislature and the President are directly elected by the people of the state. The President has a lot of power, including the power to implement laws. The President is the executive head of the state. Mutual control between the legislature and the executive leads to a responsible government. Conclusion. Apart from the parliamentary and presidential form of government, there are other forms of government also. For example, France follows semi-presidential form of government. Switzerland and Germany follows the parliamentary republic form of government. Now that we know what is a parliamentary system of government and why India adopted a parliamentary system of government rather than a presidential system of government, let us study about the Indian Parliament, its structure, working and role, which will be introduced to us in the next chapter. Thank you.